kami ngayon sa Atlantic City, guys. This is our first day here. Come on and join us. Maglibot-libot dito sa boardwalk. Ayan, ang daming mga seagulls na nagliliparan. Ayan, oh. Hindi ko mahagip kasi pataas nila lumipad. Wow, it's still so cold. That's why we are wearing our jackets, guys. Hindi ka basta-basta makapag-sleeveless pa. Pero, pag sumikat naman ang araw is sinatsambahan namin na mag-sleeveless. Pero right now is sobrang ginaw dito sa Atlantic City. Ito ang boardwalk, guys. Naglilibot kami sa boardwalk ng Atlantic City. Come on, join us, guys. Maglibot-libot sa buong paligid. Ayan, ang daming mga store dito sa boardwalk ng Atlantic City. Ang hair ko is mukhang bruha. Maraming mga mabibili, guys. So, dami-dami talaga, guys. Ang kulang lang is pambili. Nakikita nyo yun, may lumilipad-lipad ng mga ibon sa taas. Yun ay mga seagulls. Hindi ko mahagip talaga kasi ang bibilis nila. Makulimlim ang langit. Kaya sobrang ginaw. Pero sumisikat ang araw. Oh, lamig ng kamay ko. Lamig ng kamay ng lola. Ang haba nitong boardwalk na to, guys. Ang sarap lang mamasyal kasi marami kang makikita. Yan, pati mga ibon naririnig nyo. That's right. Yan, lakas ng hangin. Sobra. Kaya naglagay ako ng legging. Hindi na. This is tawag na ito. Panlagay sa fridge, sa ref. Bumili na kami ng isa. Sa ibang store, hindi dito. Wow. This is different style. We'll see. Everything says Atlantic City. Atlantic City. Pero meron na kaming isa. Mahirap naman kung masyadong marami. Yeah. Choose where is my name there. Don't have my name. We'll see. There is Leticia. L-E-T-T-Y. Jessica Simpson. Wala namang L. Did you see any L, ate? No. Don't have Lydia. There is Lydia. There is no Letty. Oh, well. Don't have my name. Mother is your first friend. Your best friend. Your forever friend. Sisters are angels who look up us hindi ko na makita yung nasa loob, mga shell, mga lilit. Mga lilingits. But they are nice. Good. Pasok tayo dito guys sa mga tindahan ng mga souvenirs. Let's see what we can buy here. Let's go around. Wow, this is a nice Rainforest Cafe. Atlantic City. Yan, Atlantic City. Butterfly over there. It's moving. It's a giant butterfly. There. See? It's a giant, big one. Look at the eyes, it's moving. Ito gumagalaw. What's her name? Oh, she's Tracy Tree. Oh, it's Tracy.
As tall as 200 feet, and giant bamboo plants can grow as much as 9 inches a day. How tall are you?
It's cute for kids. Yeah. Look at that. It's a big face and the eyes is lighting. Wow. We're going to eat here tonight, guys. This is the restaurant you see around. It's like a forest. Mukhang forest tong restaurant sa loob, guys. Ayan, ang ganda. May mga puno at may mga dahon. Ayan ang kanyang ceiling. Yan ang kanyang ceiling. At it is a restaurant here in Atlantic City. And this is our table over here. We're gonna eat here. Come and join us, guys. We will order the food now. See you around. There's are the menus. Merang menu sila. This is the Rainforest Cafe here in Atlantic City. Ayan guys, upo na muna ako at kami o-order ng makakain. Gumagalaw yung elephant. It's not real pero gumagalaw siya guys. Ayan, isa pa, mas maliit ito. Yung isa malaki. This is a restaurant guys where we eat tonight. At it's a jungle restaurant inside. Ayan. Parang jungle sa loob. It's so nice. There's a bigger one. Ang laki. Ayun ang laki. And there are birds there on the trees. There you are, guys. Laki din ng bird. Hindi siya gumagalaw ngayon, pero gumagalaw yan, guys. Pinapagalaw nila. Parang bus, electric. Parang pinagagalaw ng electric. Pero hindi siya gumagalaw ngayon. Ayun po, merong monkey na gumagalaw din sana. But right now, they are not moving. Gumagalaw sila pero hindi nila pinagalaw. Guys, it's a jungle restaurant inside. Parang mga tunay ang mga puno at halaman at ang mga hayop sa paligid. Yan guys. Yan, madilim na. Nagliliwanag at nagdidilim. Ayan guys. Ayan, dumadaong na ang aming sasakyan na barko. Boat. So, we are getting ready, guys. See you there. Let's go and find out. Ayan, guys. Nagsuot na ako ng hoodies ko. Nakasuot na rin sila. Dati pa ng hoodies. Ako lang hindi. Kasi nainitan ako kanina. Ngayon mag-inaw na, guys. Kaya kailangan may hoodies kang suot para ganyan sa dagat. Isusuot mo kasi maginaw. Ayan, nasabit ang aking hikaw. Naka-ready na ang mga tao. Ayun sila, iba nakaupo. Ayan guys, ang ginaw dito sobrang hangin. Kaya kailangan makapal ang suot mo. Sinuot ko na yung baong kong hoodies. Para naka-ready na ako. Ayun ang ticket. Ang bawat isa. Meron din ako niyan. Ayan, lumipad. There is the ticket. There you are.